The next series of sums are integration, and integration has three types of sums. First, the fundamental rule of calculus, then we have integration by parts, and we have integration by substitution. There's another type of integration where we have to integrate partial fractions. For that we have to use the fundamental rule of calculus, the integration of reciprocal and the integration of algebraic exponents. So this particular sum is substitution. For substitution, we need to substitute the Cartesian integral and make it into whatever substitution we have to do. So usually it's u, so u1 to u2, we have to convert the limit. Then we have to express the y in terms of u, a function of u, and we have to convert the dx into u. This is done by differentiating the terms that has x in it. So let's start using the substitution u square equals to 2x minus 1, or otherwise means so you have to do it using this. So first of all, we have the limit when x equals to 1, I'm taking the lower limit, u square equals to 2 into 1 minus 1, which is 1. Therefore u equals to plus minus square root of 1. Therefore you take the positive value 1. When x equals to the upper limit is 5, so u square equals to 2 5s are 10 minus 1, which is 9. Therefore u equals to plus minus root over of 9. Therefore you take the positive value, square root of 9 is 3. So the limit has been substituted. The next thing that we have to do, we have to substitute dx. For that we have to differentiate. So we know u squared equals to twice x minus 1. One way of doing this is sending the square to the other side and writing it as a square root and then doing it as an exponent derivative. But better than that, it is easier if you do this using the implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation, for example, when you have d by dx of y to the power n, the implicit differentiation would be n y to the power n minus 1, again dy by dx. That's the implicit differentiation for this particular sum. So derivative of y square would be 2u, and with this we will have du by dx. If it was y square, it would be 2y into dy by dx, and this is u, 2u du by dx, and this side derivative would be 2. Therefore what we can do, we can write u du equals to dx. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel off, and we can write u du equals to dx. That's the substitution. Let's move on here. Now the substitution is complete, so hence integration, the lower limit is going to be 1 and the upper limit is going to be 3. Dx is good, but before dx we have to substitute x. Now this can be done by sending this minus 1 to that side. It becomes u square, and then dividing by 2. So I can just find an expression for x. So it would be 3, and for x I can write u square plus 1 divided by 2 divided by, so I'm just rearranging this algebraic term and finding an expression for x. Now divided by square root of 2x minus 1. Now if you send this square to the other side, u would be equals to square root of 2x minus 1. That's what we're doing. We're taking this expression and playing with this, so it would be u, and the substitution for dx is done here. Dx equals to u du, so we have u du. So the substitution has been done. So now this would be limit 1 to 3, this u and this u cancels off, so we can write 3 by 2 u square plus 1 du. It's a good idea to take the constant outside. Even if you don't take the constant outside, that's fine too. So 3 by 2 1 to 3 limit, so u square plus 1 du is the integral. So if I integrate, u square is going to be u cubed by 3 plus 1 is going to be u. So this would be 1, limit 1 to 3. Now remember, when we have a limit, there is not going to be an expression as the integral, so it has to be a value. It's going to be a specific numeric value. As we put the limit here, 3 here would be 3 cube by 3 plus this would be 3. Remember, 3 by 2 is multiplied with the entire integral, minus, if I put 1, it would be 1 cube by 3 plus 1. So now by doing the calculation we can write this 3 and this 3 squared, so 27 by 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, so this would be 3 by 2, 12, minus this would be 1 by 3 plus 1, so 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3, 4 by 3, so that would be, let me do it here, so 3 12s are 36, 36 minus 4 is 32 by 3, so 3 by 2 into 32 by 3, this 3 and this 3 cancels, 2 into 16 is 32, so the integral is 16.